Okay, hello, what's up, guy? Today video I'm gonna show you how you can build your own AI to generate sleeping sound, and you can upload into YouTube and earn money. Okay, I'm gonna use ChatGPT and Google Colab to use Google Colab to run the code, and GPT write the code. Okay, now I'm here in GPT and ask him to write the code for me. Okay, write the code and write me the code that can generate sleeping music to use to let's say to run in Google Collapse. And okay, guy, do not make it complex with download outside app or any outside need. Then I'll download automatically, and link is inside ever. Okay, and then we're gonna go to Google Collabs. Here, Google Collab, I have been search and create new notebook. Okay, here's the code. Okay, I'm gonna rename it Sleep AI. Sleep. Okay, guys. Not sure the browser will let you play, I guess. This is okay, now I'm gonna copy the first one. Okay, paste it here and run the code. Okay, let's say it's having your errors or not. Okay, guys, errors. I'm gonna copy the error and ask ChatGPT again to rewrite code. It's error. Okay, I paste the error and ask him to write the code again. Okay, copy, and I'm gonna delete this one and add new code. Run again. Generate 5 minutes sleeping music. Playing the sleeping music. Okay, guys, here's our results. Let's play. Okay, it's keywords with brand and frequency. Okay, now I want to change. I don't want to hear the frequency. Where function generate single frequency. Okay, I will ask GPT. I don't know. Frequency. Okay, guys, you can do like that. Okay, this code is for optional export or audio file. I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna add new line, paste it here and once again. Oh shit, error thunders. Okay guys, I will ask you to run. Paste the error point, enter. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna delete this error and add new code again. Copy, paste, Ctrl V, and run. Let's see if have any error or not. Okay, guys, wait. Okay, here's the result. Let's listen to our result. I didn't hear the thunder sound like combined music. Rain, thunder. But I didn't hear the thunder. Okay guys, you can ask GPT to write the code and run it in Google Colab. If it have any error, you can copy the error and paste in ChatGPT. And if you not like the result, you can copy the code and ask ChatGPT again. Like this point, I didn't hear the thunder sound. I can ask GPT again and tell him what we want the code to generate for. That's what the result that we want. And now I'm not gonna do it because I don't want the video is too long. So I'm gonna stop here and say bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video or comment. Okay, thank you guys. If you like the video like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.